Greetings everybody, this is Stefan, SYGTECH is here. Welcome back to another video. So in today's video I'm going to share my 3 weeks experience so far with the Magic 8 Pro here, which I have been using every single day since I got the phone. So I'm gonna give you my honest opinion because I'm pretty sure you may consider this device in 2026. I'm gonna share my experience, what do I think about this phone, what my friends and family thinks about this device in 2026. Let's start with the pricing. So the Magic 8 Pro is gonna cost you £1,000 and 99 pence. The version that I have here is with the 12 gigabytes of RAM and 512 gigabytes of memory, which I think it's fantastic combination. Again, you can get 1 terabyte as well, depends on your version you get. Also, the device comes in 3 different colors. I have the black version here, also comes in sky cyan and gold. Let me know in the comments down below which color is your favorite. Let's move to the build quality, which I think is a very interesting topic in my opinion. I handled the phone to some of my friends and families and I asked them what they think about the build quality of the Magic 8 Pro. Without telling that this is actually plastic, so this is fiber reinforced plastic, but when I took the phone for the first time, it looked like it was glass, but actually this is not frosted glass, although this is a matte finish and it's doing an amazing job removing all the fingerprints. I was surprised, and some of my friends and families, they thought that this is a glass, but actually this is a plastic, and I think it's a very good idea. Also, it's gonna make the device more durable and more light. So the actual weight of the device is 219 grams. And my friends and family, they was very surprised that actually this is not a glass. I don't mind it. The device is light enough, and also it's going to be much durable in my opinion. As you know, glass is glass and glass breaks, so I don't mind that the build quality on the back is like plastic, but it's very premium. What is new this year? We have AI button here, which I'll share with you some interesting thoughts about the AI button, which in my opinion it's great. Also, the AI button here doubles as a shutter button for your camera, which I think it's a great addition. One of the main attractions of the Magic 8 Pro, it's the beautiful display. It's a 6.71 inch LTPO OLED screen, resolution of 1256 by 2808. Also, it's a ultra narrow, it's a quad curved display on each side of the corners, which I like it a lot. Screen to body ratio is 89.6, which is fantastic in my opinion. It's very nice. There's no big bezels on the side, and also the display is very bright, big brightness up to 6000 nits HDR. I took it outside and it's amazing. So the display on the Magic 8 Pro, it's beautiful. What is my experience about the performance of the Magic 8 Pro? Well, I'm very positive to announce that the performance of the Magic 8 Pro is amazing. We have the latest and greatest from Snapdragon 8 Elite Gen 5. I did some gameplay. Actually, I'm gonna show you on the screen right now. The performance is just amazing. The hardware and the software works very well here. I didn't have any issues, any problems with the device. The Magic OS on the top of the Android 16 actually is very good. If you like customizations, yes, Magic OS is probably a skin that you're gonna like on the top of the Android 16. So overall, the performance is just amazing. Something that I was not expecting was the battery on the Magic 8 Pro here. Very surprised that the battery is being very reliable. And bear in mind, this is the 2nd generation of the silicon carbon batteries. I'm really curious what's going to happen next year, if there will be a 3rd generation. So this is the 2nd generation. We have 6200 mAh battery. It's a huge battery, and I think Honor is doing an amazing job with this silicon carbon battery. I had this phone for 3 weeks, like I mentioned already, and I took it to my workplace. In my workplace, I take a lot of pictures and a lot of phone calls, messages. Pretty heavy user. I use the phone I supposed to, and I came back with 44%, which is just insane in my opinion. I'm pretty sure you can get like 2 days. Again, if you're a very heavy user, you may get maybe one and a half day, but if you're not very heavy user, yeah, you pretty much will get like 2 days with this silicon carbon battery. So the battery is very good. Also, if you need to charge the phone, charges very quickly. It has 100-watt super charging technology with 80-watt wireless. So I'm using a 65-watt plug adapter, and charges less than an hour, which is just insane in my opinion. So if you want to charge the phone quickly, yeah, just use maybe something that is at least 65 watt to charge the device quickly. Reverse charging as well, so if you want to charge someone else's device. But yeah, overall the battery of the Magic 8 Pro is very reliable. Something that shocked me is the biometrics of the Magic 8 Pro. So it's just crazy. So as you can see on the top, we have 2 cameras. So we have the 50 megapixel camera for the selfies, and we have another camera which is a 3D camera, time of flight sensor for your 3D recognition here. And it's just insane. I don't know if you can see on the camera, but it's just super quick. It's just instant. I don't know if you can justify that on the video. I'm not gonna look now. I'm looking. So it's just insane. So yeah, so this is gonna be crazy. Also, again, this is similar technology of Apple technology. So it's a time of flight sensor, and it's very safe and reliable, works in dark as well. Also, the ultrasonic fingerprint sensor is very nice as well. It's very reliable, as you can see. So it's very fast. So regardless for payments or unlocking, it's just very fast every time. So the biometrics are insane in my opinion. And the main attractions is gonna be the cameras. Now I can talk about all the specs, but I'm gonna show you footage on the screen right now. I'm gonna show you pictures, and I think the cameras on the Magic 8 Pro are fantastic in my opinion. I did already like 200 pictures, and for some reason I just stop on the street and I take pictures of cars, buildings, pigeons, you name it. And yeah, so we have 200 megapixel parascopic zoom lens, and we have 50 megapixel main and 50 megapixel ultra wide, which doubles as a macro. But yeah, it's been fantastic. It's been very reliable camera. Also, we have SIPA 5.5, which obviously this stands for very improved stabilization. So yeah, it's pretty cool camera in my opinion. The image quality of the videos and the pictures are just very noticeable. Doesn't require any edits in my opinion. So again, I can talk about specs, but it's better to see the pictures and the videos on the screen so you can have a look what actually the camera can do. It's a very reliable camera, so all the 3 cameras are optimized for night photography. Also, I'm planning a trip next week, so stay tuned for the video. That will be amazing to do some night photos and videos. So again, stay tuned for that. Make sure to subscribe. But overall, guys, my experience so far has been amazing. It's been great. You know, I used this phone for the past 3 weeks, and yeah, it's been great. No complaints whatsoever. Everything works very as supposed to. I know the hype already is gone. The device has been out for the past 4 months. Again, I'm not sponsored by Honor. I don't have to say that, but this is my experience so far. It's been very positive with the cameras, with the display, with the battery. And as a matter of fact, actually, let me show you my main device. This was my main device before I switched to Honor Magic 8 Pro. So actually I've been using the Nothing Phone 2a for the past 2 years, and this was my device. And after I switched to Magic 8 Pro, I felt like I'm driving some very fast, some very sports car, if I can make this analogy, if this makes sense. But my experience is being positive. So stay tuned until my next video. Probably will be the camera review of the Magic 8 Pro. This was just a 3 weeks experience with this interesting flagship from Honor. And again, I'm not paid to say that, guys. It's just, this is my opinion. It's been very positive so far. Everything works fantastic, very reliable camera, very positive experience. I'm gonna do a separate video what probably needs to be added or maybe changed in the future. Planning to do a video what I expect maybe from the next flagship, but stay tuned for that. There will be a separate video. But overall, yeah, very positive so far with the Magic 8 Pro. Let me know in the comments down below, what do you think? Are you happy with your Magic 8 Pro? Do you agree with my thoughts? I know I didn't talk about a lot of AI stuff here, but it's gonna be in a separate video. But overall, the Magic 8 Pro is being very, very good in my opinion for the past 3 weeks. So there we have it, guys. Magic 8 Pro 3 weeks review. I really see what's gonna happen next week. So stay tuned for the review, guys. If you have any questions, leave it in the comments down below. Thank you for watching. I'll see you guys in the next one.